Hello there. I want to go over conferences within Canvas and how to navigate through it. So we're going to use my 8th grade science. I'm in my dashboard. I want to go ahead and pull up my course. I'm going to set up a conference for, and then I'm going to go down to the conferences link here in my navigation of my course. So I'm going to click on conferences, and of course I want to set up a new conference. So the Plus Conference. It's going to default the name of the class and conference. I'm going to leave it that way. Otherwise, you can change that name. I'm going to click on Enable Recording for this conference. You're probably going to be okay leaving this at 60 minutes. It's just how long can you record up to. And then invite all course members. Make sure that box is check marked, and it should be. Click Update. So now I have my conference. I haven't started my conference until I hit this button. Now, whenever I'm ready and I click on Start, what it's going to do is it will now allow anyone that's logged into my Canvas course to go to conferences and join the actual conference. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Start. At this point in time, the students on their end would, it's going to go through the microphone check. You want to allow it to do a test of the microphone. And it's going to do the same thing here in a second on the webcam. So to share my webcam, down here at the bottom, you're going to see the button that says Share Webcam. Once again, it's going to go through the same allow steps. If you have different webcams set up, I'm on my desktop, so I only have the webcam that we issued out to all the teachers. Some of you may also have the webcam on your laptop. But those will be showing there. I'm going to use the webcam that we issued. It's already checked, and I'm going to start sharing. And then you're going to see that pop up here. Like I said, at this point in time, the students would go to enter their Canvas course. They're going to go to conferences. And when they do that, they're going to see where it's going to say under conferences, Science 8 Conference in Progress. And there's going to be a join button to the right. They're going to click on the join button. I'm going to do that right now on a test student. So they're going to go through, click join. It's going to go through a microphone check also. And it's going to go through a webcam check and everything for the students. So we're doing that right now. I'm going to click on listen only. I don't want the microphone to come up on this test student because it will probably echo on this video. But yeah, they can enable it. And then they're going to share their webcam. All right. So as the test student logged in, now you notice two things. One, they're listed over here. This will be the list of anyone on the conference call. Also, here's the webcam of the test student. Right. Couple things. This is my webcam. This is the student's webcam. I can go up here under and go to settings. And then under settings, if I want to turn off all the webcams, I can go under data savings and then turn off all the webcams, and that will turn them all off. Okay. Otherwise, under applications, I have a couple of different settings I can change as far as if there's a pop-up alert or anything if someone makes a chat. So a couple of different areas of this. What the student is seeing is exactly this right here. They're seeing the entire same page that we are here on this video. They'll see who's on the call. They'll have a chat box. So if they want to make a comment on the chat, right now I'm going to have this test student make a comment. And as they send that, you'll notice it pops up in the chat box. So they could be asking you a question as you're doing the presentation. This is where a presentation screen is going to be. And of course, you're going to see all the webcams up here. Okay. And once again, I showed you how you can disable them if you want. Very important. This does not start recording until you hit the start recording button at the very top. Okay. So make sure you do that when you get ready to start recording for the conference for the day. So they're logged in. We're logged in. A couple of different features of the conferencing. If you got this plus button down here, several different things. I can drop in a poll question at any time, all right? Or I can upload a presentation. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So if I upload a presentation, I want to search for the presentation. I'm going to use one that's on my click the upload button, and it will go through the upload process. So I locate it on my desktop. It's converting the file as I click upload. Depending on how large it is, depends on how long it's going to take. And after it's done, it pops it in here. So that was upload a presentation. I can also share an external video. So if I have a YouTube video that I wanted to do. So in other words, I went to YouTube, I went to share, and then I copied that link right there. All right. So if I copy that link and I want to show the video, I would go to share an external video, paste in, and then there's the video. Okay. So we got upload a presentation like a PowerPoint. We got sharing a video. Okay. A couple other features. I can share my screen. This may come in handy if you got your webcam up here and it's pointed on your dry erase board and you want to show what's going on. What I would do is share your screen. And then, of course, I would click on my actual dry erase board. And when I do that, it's going to show the dry erase board all within this area right here. Stop sharing. And then, of course, it goes back to the actual presentation spot. So once again, remember, they see everything, but the key is this is where most of the information is going to be, their largest screen that they'll be able to see. So you're going to want to use this area for your upload a presentation, share a video, you can poll a question, or you can share your screen and it would show whatever you're showing on the actual computer itself. Right now, if I did it, it would show this exact thing. But also, if you want to enlarge this, then you can enlarge it by pushing up here and sharing your screen, and it will make the entire screen larger for the student when they're viewing. Okay, so hopefully this helps. Remember, start recording. When I'm done with this, a couple steps I have to do. Click on log out. The student will log out, and let me do that real quick. You'll see how the student will go to log out. And as the student logs out, you notice so the student's logging out, you notice they are now gone. And then I'm going to go ahead and log out. Even though I've logged out, I'm not totally done. I would need to go back to conferences, which I already have it open right here, and I need to click on in. And then if you were recording this, it would populate. Once it populates, it's going to take a while. You'll notice like this one right here, I did a recording, and you have a link there now that you can click on, and there's your recording. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great day.